Hello children, welcome back. I hope you all are doing fine. So, as I told you that I'm going to begin with the course of Class 3 and I'll begin with English grammar first. Okay, so today I'll teach you the first lesson of English grammar. The book which I'll be using to teach you is Collins English Grammar and Composition. Okay, so children, in this book, the first lesson is the sentence. Okay, so today I'll teach you the sentence. But before beginning, you all have to pay attention and listen carefully. I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay, be very attentive and you have to answer. Okay, so now let us begin, children. Okay, now if I say I am, what is I am? What will you say? I am? What will you say? You will say, ma'am, I is a word, am is a word. So these are just two words. I am. Now, if I say, is, the, am, I, in. What you are going to say if I say, is, the, am, I, in? If I ask you, what is this? You will again say, ma'am, these are some words. Yes or no? Now, if I say, cat, this is a cat. This is a. What is this now? These are again some words. Okay. But now listen. This is a cat. I am saying this is a cat. Now what it is, children? This makes a sentence. This is a cat. Why it is a sentence? Why the other words were not a sentence and why this is a sentence? See, when group of words are arranged in systematic order, in an order through which we get some meaning, which makes some sense, then it is called a sentence. Okay? Now when I say this is a cat, what do we get to know? We get to know that I'm talking about a cat. This is a cat. It makes some sense. Okay? And the words are arranged in an order through which we get some meaning. Okay? So that is why it will be a sentence. Now, whenever a sentence is written, it has to start with a capital letter and it has to end with a full stop. Okay? Now, if I say, my name is Shivika Arora. So, this is also a sentence. Why? Because these group of words, my name is Shivika Arora, all these group of words are arranged in an order through which we get some meaning, through which we get some sense. Okay, and when I'm going to write it, I'm going to begin it with a capital letter and I'll end it with a full stop. And what else in between? I'm saying Shivika Arora. So it is a special name. So Shivika will be starting with capital S and Arora will be starting with capital A. Okay, so whenever you see a sentence, how you will understand that it is a sentence? What are things you have to remember? You have to remember that in a sentence, the group of words are arranged in an order through which we get some meaning, which makes some sense. And then the next thing is, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop. Okay? So now we are going to solve some book exercises. I hope this much is clear to you. Further, you'll get to know from the book now. So children, this is the English grammar book which I'm using. Okay? Now, the first lesson of this book is the sentence, page number 11. Okay? Now, look here children. Let's get started. What is written over here? Look at the words written on the blue train. Rearrange them to form a meaningful sentence and write them on the red train. So children, here is the blue train. Okay, some words are given over here. You have to rearrange these words and you have to write them on the red train. Okay, so look here. What are the words? Going, Disneyland, am, to, I. So here are the words. Now see, the words are not arranged in a proper order. Through these words, we are not getting any meaning. We have to arrange it in such a way so that we get some meaning. How you will arrange them? Going, Disneyland, am, to, I. Okay, now I is given. Always, whenever I is given, the sentence begins with I. Okay, so first you can say I. Then with I, what you will use? Am. You must be talking about your own self. I am. Now I am doing what? I am going to Disneyland. Okay, so in this way you are going to write it. So here you will write I. Next you will write am. After that, what you're going to write? Going to Disneyland. Okay, now Disneyland is a special name, so it will begin with capital D. Okay, in this way, I am going to Disneyland. So now it becomes a proper sentence which has some meaning. It begins with a capital letter, it ends with a full stop. Okay, now read this children. A sentence is a group of words arranged in the correct order that makes complete sense. A sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Yes, this is what I explained you. Now see, what are the examples? Abin loves reading comic books. My sister and I are going on a vacation. Okay? Now here, see. Tick the group of words which are sentences. This is your first exercise. Okay, you have to tick the group of words which are sentences. Now see the first one. Gave me a watch. Now tell me, will these group of words make a sentence? What will you say? No, they won't make a sentence. Gave me a watch. It is incomplete. Yes, it does not begin with a capital letter. It does not end with a full stop. So it is not a sentence. So you can just cross it out. Okay. My own house. Now, do these group of words make a sentence? No, they don't make a sentence. My own house. Why? Because they don't make complete sense. They don't begin with a capital letter. It does not end with a full stop. So again, cross it out. Okay. Now see the third one. Tina is going to the market. Now, will this be a sentence? Yes, it will be a sentence. See, it is beginning with capital T, ending with full stop, making complete sense. It is not incomplete. Tina is going to the market. Okay, it has some meaning. What is Tina doing? Tina is going to the market. So, you will put a tick. See the next one. Donald Trump was the president of the USA. Okay, so again, have a look at these group of words. Donald Trump was the president of the USA. It is starting with a capital letter, ending with a full stop, has full meaning. Okay, who was the president of the USA? Donald Trump was the president of the USA. So it is a sentence. You will put a tick. Now see this one. Snow White, a princess. What do you get to know through these group of words? Nothing. Snow White, a princess. What else? Do you get to know anything else? No, you don't get to know anything else. Okay, so put a cross. See this one. Going to rain today? What it is? Nothing. Going to rain today. Only some group of words. Incomplete it is. We do not get any sense through this. Okay, so cross it. Now see seventh one. I like to paint. Now it has some meaning. It makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. So it will be a sentence. Put a tick. See the last one. Selena is a dancer. Through these group of words, what do we get to know? We get some meaning out of it. Selena is a dancer. We get to know about Selena. It is ending with a full stop, starting with a capital letter. So it will be a sentence. You will put a tick. Okay. So children, for today, I'm going to do this much only with you. In my next video, I'll do exercise B and C of this lesson. Okay. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.